Alright, so let's just go ahead and open it up. This is what it says inside. I love that they have this purple writing on here, and you guys, I honestly died at the fact that they had put my Instagram picture on here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen this picture. They put that picture on a Polaroid. I thought it was the sweetest thing. I thought it was so cute. So yeah, thank you so much, Fanola. It is the cutest thing. And they also wrote me a little note. I thought it was the sweetest thing too, because I feel like that just adds like a little personal touch to it. And let's just open her up. So this is the No Orange shampoo, and they're really big on these. They have a no yellow, and this is a no orange. This is blue pigment, and this is to color correct. So this one is to tone unwanted orange hues and neutralize underside copper and red reflections. And then I also got, so this is a no orange mask as well. They also sent me this Nutri shampoo. This has proteins in it, so it's pretty much to restructure my hair because it is bleached and it is damaged. So proteins are really big when you have blonde hair. This is the Nutri conditioner, so this is along with this one to help strengthen and really bring my hair back to life after having bleached it. Oh, this is so cool. So this is along with the shampoo and conditioner. So this is a actual mask, and what's crazy about this is that this is a mask that you spray in and you can leave it in, which I thought was really crazy. So this is ideal for dry and frizzy hair, and you know I have dry and frizzy hair, so this is perfect. So this is gonna help soften hair and help bring back its life. And what is this over here? This is a restructuring mask. So this is a mask that is meant to use after the shampoo in this line. So this is help to bring back softness and to help detangle the hair. So this is one whole line together, their whole Nutri line. Super excited about that. They also sent me another product from the Nutri line. This is a restructuring fluid crystals. This is a serum. So this is to help with split ends, to help with shininess, and just to overall have a healthier look on your hair. I just want to say thank you so much to Fanola. I'm super grateful, and I'm so excited to try these out. I can't wait to see how these products work on my hair. And you guys will see the difference in a couple seconds, but I have to wait a little bit because I need to wait till I'm gonna wash my hair again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hands around my neck.
Alright, so this is how my hair is looking right now. I know it looks super crazy, but that's because we're gonna wash it today. And I'm gonna be using the Fanola No Orange shampoo, so we're gonna see how that looks. I do have brassiness like at the start of my blonde, but that's because last time I got my hair done was like in September. Alright, so since I am gonna wash my hair with the No Orange to cancel out my brassy tones, alright, so I just put on my hair so I don't look extra crazy. So since we are using the Fanola shampoo and mask today, I do want to make sure that I'm moisturizing my hair as much as I can because these products do contain sulfates. If you're a curly or wavy hair girl, you know that sulfates, you do not want to use them on your hair because they are harsh detergents. They clean really well, but they are really harsh on your hair, so you want to make sure that you do moisturize your scalp and your hair as much as you can because we don't want to be having dry hair because then it just creates frizziness. So before I even put the Fanola No Orange shampoo, I'm going to go in with these two babies right here. I'm going to take the Jamaican Black Castor Oil and make sure to get it all over my scalp, massage it into my scalp to give myself like a little scalp massage and to help make sure that my hair is moisturized, my scalp is moisturized, and to help promote hair growth. And then I'm also going to take the Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask to make sure that we do add as much moisture as we can into our hair before we even go with the shampoo. Alright, so I'm also using this to help to tangle my hair because my hair is really tangled right now and I don't want to be breaking my hair trying to brush through it when it's really tangled. So I'm going with this. This smells really good. If you're thinking about getting blonde hair, I think it's really important to know that it's a lot of maintenance and that also you do need to really care for it. You have to give some extra love to blonde hair. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that in my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that I get as much moisture as I can. Then I'll be back to you guys so we can go ahead and try out the shampoo and the mask. Alright, so I just rinsed off my hair. So we're gonna go with the Fanola No Orange shampoo. Alright, so it says to use latex gloves just so that your hands don't get stained. So my hands are probably gonna be blue after this, but I really don't want to use latex gloves on my hair. That's why we're just going straight in with my hand. So this is how it looks. So since this is a toning shampoo, I am gonna put this all over my hair. Alright, so I'm just trying to make sure that I do get it all on every single strand, so that's why I'm keep brushing through it. Alright, so I just washed my hands. This is how they're looking right now. So they are stained, so don't be surprised if you use the no yellow or the no orange and they are stained. It specifically says on the bottle to use the gloves so that you don't get stained hands. So yeah, just be careful, really careful when you're using the shampoo. You don't want to stain things. It says you can leave it in for as long as 1 to 5 minutes. I'm going to use it 5 minutes because I haven't toned my hair in a long time. Alright, so now we're going to go with this baby. This is the Fanola No Orange Mask, and this is to add softness and to bring back a shine to your hair after having used a shampoo. So it says to apply this to towel dried hair. So I just went ahead and used my microfiber towel to go ahead and take out the excess water. It's not completely dry, but it's not soaking wet either. So for the mask, you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go and apply this to my hair and leave it on for 5 minutes, so just so I get that full effect. So I think that's really cool and different about these Fanola products is that they do have coconut oil in them. So while your hair is getting toned by the pigments, it is also getting protected by the coconut oil, which a lot of other shampoos don't really have. That's why a lot of them are very drying. But the coconut oil is a huge benefit because that is gonna add moisture, add some glossiness and shine. Alright guys, so I'm finally back hours later. My hair is completely dry. I just put some product in it and diffused it. My hair doesn't feel super dry or anything like that. I was honestly super scared to try this out just because of the fact that it does have sulfate in it. I know that sulfates are really harsh on the hair, but luckily with Fanola, they do have coconut oil in their formulas. It really helps protect your hair from it like being super dry and just being like really brittle. So you're kind of getting like all in one, like it's protecting your hair and it is also toning your color. So that's amazing. As you guys can see, these are the results. This really helped tone my hair. I feel like it looks fresh and it just looks like kind of like freshly done. I do need to get my roots done, that's why it's like no dark up there. I showed you guys what I used prior to the actual shampoo and the mask just because of the fact that I didn't want my hair to be super dry and I wanted my hair to be okay after having used the no orange shampoo and mask. I was a little scared to try the mask because I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't know how my color's gonna come out, but honestly it came out really, really good. Since I do like a warm color, it's really important to make sure that I don't have like any oranges or reds in my hair because I don't want to be looking like my hair isn't done right. Thank you so much to Fanola for sending me your products. I am very shocked with them and very stoked about them and I can't wait to keep using them. I'm super excited and I want to thank you guys so much for sending me them. So I 100% recommend this product if you do have any color like mine. These two products were amazing. I was super shocked about the quality of them. I love that they have coconut oil in them. If you do have like a silver or like a gray tone, you will use a no yellow shampoo. For the no yellow shampoo, they have a vegan formula for that, so I love that. I wish though that they did have a vegan no orange shampoo. So if anyone from Fanola is listening, I would love to see a no orange vegan shampoo and mask. I would be all for it and I'd be the first one to buy it. So if you need the no yellow shampoo, go get the vegan one that has no sulfates, no parabens, and no silicones. So another thing that is super exciting, I do have a discount code with them. You can get a little discount with my code. I'll put it up here and also down in the description box. There will be also an affiliate link, so if you guys want to just click on that and then just check out through that link, that would be amazing too. So if you don't want to do that, just go to the salon guys and purchase it. But you know, if you want a little discount, use my code or just use the link. So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You come in